The reasons for freezing. The reasons for freezing is very quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. You know that it takes because of its dust for your body rejects it. I stood and I must. The way what you see it is always the same. In for maintenance is set to your logs from your brain. Many clubs contracts to push and freeze. Choose what your
Diaphragm.
diaphragms, belly, and chest must cool too. Your eyes shut, your tongue's on the roof of your mouth is for your nose to blow what reach out and blow out it will. It's explode with great power. A freeze can go 100 miles and yours 161
Kilometers per hour. Natural. Alarm.